Students, very good morning. So, last class we completed in 10.1 13 problems completed. Last problem 13th one I was given homework. See that same model problem 14th question. In that exercise last problem, listen carefully. So what is given? So on x-axis, so given year graph. On y-axis population given in crores. So here 1985 comma 92, 1995 comma 97 given means in 1985 the population will be 92. So the point they have considered as A. So in 1995 the population will be 97 crores. They have considered point C. So they are asking what is the slope. So this is one point, this is one point. If you know 2 points, you apply slope formula, will get the solution. And also they are asking, so what is the population in 2010? So 2010 comma x means what? That is the population in 2010. X indicates the population in 2010. So A, B, C are same line, having the same line. So A comma B comma C are collinear. A comma B comma C are collinear. Then you apply collinear condition. You are getting x value. You are getting x value. Now start solution. So given points A, B. So first they are asking slope of AB. Slope of AB, it is equal to 97 minus 92 divided by 1995 minus 1985. So slope of AB is equal. So this is 5 divided by 10. Simplification multiply 1 by. So then since A comma B comma C are collinear. So before that you write small point. Before that you write small point. Let x be the population in 2010. So the point C equal to 2010 comma x. Therefore, since A comma B comma C are collinear. So collinear means what is the condition? Collinear means what is the condition? Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So slope of AB already we know that. Slope of AB already we know that. Slope of BC means x minus 97 divided by, so 2010 minus 1995. So simplified 1 by 2, it is equal to x minus 97 divided by 15. Again you do cross multiplication. So what we are getting? X minus 97 equal to 15 by 2. So x equal to 15 by 2 plus 97. So we do simplification. So take LCM is 2 and simplified we are getting 104.5. Simplification 104.5. So 15 by 2 means how much? 7.5. 7.5 plus 97 both are added. How much you are getting? 104.5. So in 2010 the population is 104.5 crores. 104.5 crores. Understand? So 10.1 exercise completed. After that, very important concept. in straight lines. Listen. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. Listen. Theory, about theory. Put the heading. Various forms of the equation of a line. Various forms of the equation of a line. Equation of a line. Equation of a line. So then you write point wise. Suppose listen carefully. These two are lines. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Now it is origin. So now these two also lines only now. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. What is equation of x-axis? So right, first point, equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is 0. Y is equal to 0. Next, second point, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Third point, equation of any line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal some constant. Y is equal to either upside or downside. You take k maybe positive value or negative value. Positive value or negative value. You take the form is y is equal to k. Similarly, fourth point, equation of any line means like that diagram. Like that diagram. X-axis, any line. This line equation is y is equal to k. Suppose the downside is there, downside also y is equal, downside is there negative, upside is there positive, like that. This is y-axis. Equation of any line parallel to y-axis is of the form x is equal to k. It is x is equal to k, like that the diagram is. X is equal to k. Suppose this side is there, left hand side of x-axis is there, that is x is equal to minus k. Okay, right? So plus or minus. So equation of y-axis, y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis, x is equal to 0. Equation of any line parallel to x-axis is of the form y is equal to k. Equation of any line parallel to y-axis is of the form x is equal to k. So note down these 4 points. Next, very, very important point, the next one. Next one, point slope form. Point slope form. point slope form. This is very important. This is very important formula. Point slope form. Let the line L passing through, let the line L passing through the point, passing to the point x1 comma y1, whose slope is m, whose slope is m. Then what is the equation of line L? What is the equation of line L? This is given data. So what is the equation of this line? If they are given point to slope, then you are going to simplify equation of the line. So let a x comma y be any point on line L. Means a line L means so many points are, line L means so many points are there. That's why I will consider another point A x comma y. Another point I will consider any arbitrary point I will consider x comma y. X comma y I will consider. So means what here on the line how many points are there? 2 points are. On the line how many points are there? 2 points are there. 2 points slope, using 2 points you have slope formula. Okay, right? So now slope of line L equal to slope of AP, slope of AP and the slope of line L, both slopes are same. Why? So L line having 2 points, that 2 points slope and the line slope both are equal. That's why I am taking this condition. So slope of line L, how much given? Already m given. Again, slope of AP, you apply formula. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 by x minus x1. Now cross multiplication you do. So what we are getting? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the formula for the point slope form. Point slope formation formula you are going to prove means this is the proof. You can write final conclusion. The equation of the line passing through x1 comma y1 whose slope is m is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So the equation of the line, final conclusion we are going to write. So the equation of the line passing through x1 comma y1 whose slope is m is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is our formula. So do one problem on this one. Do one example problem on this one. An example problem on this one. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line through -2, 3 with slope -4, with the slope -4. So this is given. Solution given x1 comma y1 is equal to -2, 3. Slope it is denoted by m. M is equal to -4. Then you write equation of the line. Equation of the line. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So now you substitute x1 comma y1 and m value, then you write the equation. So y minus y1 is 3, m value -4, x minus x1 is -2. So y minus 3 it is equal to -4 of x plus 2. Minus of minus x plus 2. Now y minus 3 equal to -4x minus 8. So all values bring into left hand side. -4x means plus 4x plus 5 minus 3 plus 8 equal to 0. Right in that order. So x coefficient, y value and constant. 4x plus y. So this value -3 plus 8. How much that value? Plus 5 equal to 0. That is equation of the line. That is equation of the line. Note down fast. Equation of the line, if they are given point and slope. If they are given point and slope, then next formula. The next formula. Two-point form. That is a 2-point form. If they are given 2 points, so if they are given 2 points, so on the line 2 points given P, Q, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So 2 points given. So what is the equation of the line? So 2 points given. What is the equation of the line? Let the line L passing through, let the line L passing through P x1 comma y1 and Q x2 comma y2 be any, let the line L passing through P x1 comma y1 and Q x2 comma y2. So that is our line. So given these 2 lines passing through the line, what is the equation? 2 points are given, you know that how to simplify the slope. So you don't know the equation. So on a line L means so many points are there. In between I should one point, that is A. That A point I will consider x comma y. let a x comma y be any point on line L. Be any point on line L. Now here you see P, A, Q. So these 3 points lie on the same line. So 3 points lie on the same line means what condition you have to follow? Since P comma A comma Q are collinear. So what happens? Slope of what condition you are following? Slope of PA is equal. Slope of PA is equal. Slope of PQ. Slope of PQ. You can follow this one. Slope of PA is equal to slope of PQ or AQ also you take. So I took here slope of PA is equal to slope of PQ I will take. So now you apply the formula. Slope of PA becomes what? Y minus y1 equal to x minus x1 equal to PQ slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now simplify this. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is equation of the line passing through 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Then you write the final conclusion. Equation of the line passing through x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 and x2 comma y2 is given by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. That is equation of the line passing through 2 points. So this is another form is called 2-point form equation. This is the proof. So on this one question you have to see. One example problem on this one. Next one. Find the equation of the line. Passing through the points minus 1 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. So find the equation of the line passing through the points minus 1 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. Now let given points you consider x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 1 comma 1. So and second one x2 comma y2 equal to 3 comma 5, 2 points here. Then you write the formula. Equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. You apply this formula. So y minus y1 means 1. It is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 means 5 minus 1 divided by 3 minus half minus 1 means plus 1. X plus 1. X plus 1. X minus half minus 1 means plus 1. So 3 minus half minus 1 is 3 plus 1 4. So next implies y minus 1 it is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. So divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is x plus 1. So 4 get cancelled. Y minus 1 equal to x plus 1. Now simplify x plus 1 minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then simplify x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. X minus y plus 2 equal to 0. That is equation of the line passing through 2 points. Passing through 2 points. Note down fast. Note down. Next one, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So slope intercept form means, intercept means what? So line L cuts the y-axis at some distance. So at some distance it cuts the y-axis. It cuts the y-axis. It cuts the y-axis. That is called, the cutting point is called at c units distance. The line L cuts the y-axis. That is cutting point is called intersecting point. So here given intercept point and slope also given. So given the line L passing through 0 comma c, whose slope is m. Whose slope is m. So passing means what? It cuts at c units distance. Okay, right? So at c units distance means we create like that sentence. So here this c units distance cut means that a point is what? 0 comma c. On y-axis x coordinate is 0. So we are taking 0 comma c. That is our assumption. So here y-intercept is c. Y-intercept is c. Y-intercept ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ y-axis ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈನ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು y-intercept ಅಂತ. Right? The given line L passing through 0 comma c, whose slope is m. Okay na? So by seeing this point, will you get any idea? Line passing through 0 comma C and whose slope is m. So you have already point slope form. If you know that point and the slope, then you write equation of the line. Equation of the line L. Equation of the line L. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 means what? Y1 means what? C. Using previous formula, we are simplifying this formula. So y minus c, y1 is equal. Next m into m means m only here. X minus x1 value is what? 0. So simplification, y minus c equal to mx. So y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c is which is our slope intercept form. Which is our slope intercept form. Then you write the conclusion. The equation of the line. The equation of the line L whose y intercept is C with slope m is given by y is equal to mx plus c or mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. Y is equal to mx plus c or mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. This is what? So if they are given y intercept, and the slope given, this is equation of the line formula. Y is equal to mx or mx minus y plus c is equal to 0. Note down first. So after that you write one more point. Equation of the line whose x-intercept is C. Whose x-intercept is C. The point is C comma 0. The point is C comma 0 with slope m is given by. So what is that equation? So x-intercept means given x-intercept, y-intercept is C means the point should be 0 comma C. So x-intercept is C means what? It cuts the x-axis. And slope also given m. So what is the equation? Reverse. What is the equation? So that the diagram should be like this. So what is the equation? So point to slope formula. So y minus y1 means this value 0. So y is equal to m of x minus c. That is our equation. Y is equal to m of x minus, that is our application. Okay na? That is our application. Note down fast. Intercept means what? That is cutting the line and the x-axis, line and y-axis both are intersecting point, that is called intercept. So on this one you write one example problem. Example problem. Write the equation of the line. Write the equation of the line for which tan theta is equal to 1/2, where theta is the inclination of the line. First question, y-intercept is -3/2. Second question, x-intercept is 4. X-intercept is 4. See this. So one problem is given x-intercept, one problem is given y-intercept, but the slope is the same. So slope means given what? So given tan theta is equal to how much given? What is 1/2? So tan theta is nothing but slope only na. So slope is denoted by tan theta. So m is equal to 1/2. And also, so what is the point given? First question, y-intercept is -3/2. So y-intercept means what? C is equal to -3/2. Then you write equation of the line. So what is our formula? Y is equal to mx plus c. Y-intercept is given. Y is equal to mx plus c formula. So y equal to m value is what? 1/2 x. C value what? -3/2. Then you simplify that. So y is equal x minus 3 divided by 2. Y is equal to x minus 3 divided by 2. Cross multiply. So 2y equal to x minus 3. Now x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is first question solution. See that second question solution. So what is given in second question? What is given in second question? X-intercept given. X-intercept given. So second question solution, see all of you. M is equal to 1/2. So x-intercept what given? X-intercept is 4. X-intercept is equal to 4 given. So equation of the line according to node point. Equation of the line. Y is equal to m of x minus c. So x-intercept given, this is your formula. Y-intercept given, y is equal to mx plus c formula. So y is equal to m value 1/2 of x minus c value 4. Then you do cross multiply. 2y equal to x minus 4. Then x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. That is equation of the line. given x-intercept. So first one is equation of the line given y-intercept. So in both the lines slope is same. In both the lines slope is same. Note down fast. Next one. Right, one more note point. One more note point. Equation of the line passing through origin whose slope is m is given by y is equal to mx. Equation of the line passing through origin. So what is that equation? So in two cases are there. So this is passing through origin. This is y is equal to mx. This line equation. So in second case, so this is also passing through origin only. So this equation y is equal to minus mx. In this direction means y is equal to minus mx. In this direction means y is equal to mx. Note down first. Generally we are using this one only. Generally we are using y is equal to mx only. Next formula. Next one. Next one, intercept form. Next to intercept form. Suppose line L cuts the x-axis at capital A comma 0 cuts the x-axis at A and y-axis at B 0 comma B respectively. So this is given. A point, B point is 0 comma B, A point is 0 comma A. So line L cuts or meets the x-axis at A comma 0 and cuts the y-axis at B 0 comma B. So what is the equation of the line? So here to here distance is a small e. So here to here distance is a small b. It is cuts the x-axis b. So you know that already. in here. So A is equal to x intercept. A is equal to x intercept, comma B is equal to y intercept. According to previous concept, here x intercept value is A and y intercept value is B. Remember this point. Remember this point. So by 2-point form, by a 2-point form. So on the line 2 points are there. On the line 2 points are there. You have to apply 2-point form formula. 2-point form formula. So what is that formula? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. You apply that formula. So you are going to simplify in this problem. X intercept is A, y intercept is B given. You are going to simplify equation of the line. Equation of the line. So y minus y1 is what? Y1 is 0. It is equal to y2 minus y1, b minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus a. So x minus x1 is a. So substituted. Now simplify. Y minus 0 means y. Here remaining b divided by minus a, x minus a. Again cross multiplied, minus ay equal to bx minus ab, minus ab. Now simplify this one. So minus by minus ay right, RHS that is plus by. So bx plus ay, it is equal to capital small ab. So bx plus ay. So this is bringing into RHS. This is right in left hand side, means plus ab. So bx plus ay, it is equal to ab. So this throughout the equation 1 divided by AB on both sides. AB on both sides. So divided by AB on both sides. This equation number 1. Equation number 1. See what happens. So BX divided by AB plus AY divided by AB, it is equal to AB divided by A. Now simplify this. X by A plus y by B, it is equal to 1. So this is equation of the line whose x intercept is A and y intercept is B given. Whose x intercept is A and y intercept is B. So this is also called a intercept form of equation of the line. Intercept form of equation of the line. So note down first. Now you write the final conclusion. Equation of the line whose x intercept is A and y intercept is B is given by x by A plus y by b is equal to 1. Now see one example problem on this one. Now see one example problem on this one. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line which makes intercepts minus 3 and 2 on the x-axis and y-axis, respectively. X-axis and y-axis respectively. So write the solution. So equation of the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here x intercept is what? X intercept is minus 3. So a is equal to minus 3. Y intercept is what? 2. So y by, so that is our equation. Then you simplify this. So what happens? LCM is 6. This is 2 into means minus 2x plus 3y. It is equal to 1. Minus you take in numerator. Minus you take in numerator. So what we are getting simplified? What we are getting? Minus 2x plus 3y, it is equal to 6. So minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. That is equation of the line. Whose x-intercept and y-intercept is given. This is equation of the line. So we are discussing today different concepts. Okay now? So you are in that every point. What is the common point? Equation of the line. So once the point ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಂದ್ರೆ equation ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. once the slope ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಂದ್ರೆ equation of the line ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. So intercepts ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಂದ್ರೆ equation of the line ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. Last point. So last point, note down normal form. Note down normal form. Last concept in this for 10.2. Very simple questions. So you want to learn more questions on this 10.2. So these concepts are very important. So last one, normal form. See the normal form. Suppose a non-vertical line. Non-vertical line L. Non-vertical line L. Non-vertical line L. This line L. Non-vertical line L. First point. Length of the perpendicular. length of the perpendicular from origin to the line, length of the perpendicular from the origin to the line, so that is P, length of the perpendicular. Second point, angle which normal makes with the positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. That angle I will consider theta. So for that one, proof also not required here, just you note down the formula only. So proof also not required here. Here one line is given, this is the given line, so that is maybe in first quadrant, that is maybe in second quadrant or third quadrant and fourth quadrant. You draw one perpendicular line from this line, so that perpendicular line length I will consider P. So this perpendicular line making some angle with the positive direction of x-axis, that I have considered theta, So about this line they have given only perpendicular length and theta value given. So you have to simplify equation of the line. So you see that formula, equation of the line. So conclusion, equation of the line, having normal distance P from the origin and angle theta which the normal makes with positive x-axis is given by x cos theta plus y sin theta equal to P. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to P. This is equation of the normal. If they are given line perpendicular distance from the origin to the line, and so that perpendicular line making some angle with positive direction of x-axis, that is theta. So theta and the perpendicular distance given, that is equation of the line formula. So you write one problem on this one, last problem. So one example problem you have to write on this one. Find the equation of the line. Example problem. Find the equation of the line. Whose perpendicular distance from the origin is 4 and the angle which the normal makes with the positive x-axis, makes with the positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of x-axis is what given 45 degrees. 45 degrees. You are going to simplify. Very simple calculation. Very simple calculation. So see that solution. So given P is equal to 4 and theta is equal to 45 degrees. Then equation of the line x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to P. X cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to P. See this simplification. So x cos theta value 45 degrees plus y sin 45 degrees equal to P value at 4. Then simplify this. X into 45 means 1 by root. So y into sin 45 means 1 by root. It is equal to 4. Then take LCM. X plus y is equal to root 2. So it is equal to 4. So simplification ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x plus y equal to 4 root 2. Again you simplify x plus y minus 4 root 2 equal to 0. That is equation of the line. So equation of the line, if they are given perpendicular distance and theta value given, that is normal form, you have to write it. Understand? So all concepts completed. Next I will start 10.2 exercise. 10.2 exercise. So 10.2 exercise related, all concepts completed. Thank you all. Thank you everyone.